The motion graphics you're seeing on screen right now are not made in After Effects or traditional video editing softwares. ChatCut uses real code to make real motion graphics. It doesn't look like those AI videos where text just look like they're melting. Because these are all made from code, you can actually fully edit these afterwards. You can even download them with transparency. And best of all, these are all made with simple natural language prompts. US interest rates versus housing prices over the past 10 years. And I selected this template in and out in 10 seconds. No After Effects, no Premiere. Now, before you think human designers are obsolete, no matter how good AI gets, it'll be your taste that separates you. You can tweak everything by hand. If you want to change a parameter that's not even on the UI, you can literally ask the AI to make you a menu control for it. Good engineering work right there. The templates are a great way to get started. Anything else that you can think of, just describe what you want or even drop a reference. ChatCut will be able to make you the same one. If you see or created something that you like, save it so that you get to use it in other projects. If you're a brand, you got a set of brand colors, guidelines, and logos. You can just upload these guidelines and ChatCut will produce motion graphics perfectly tailored to your brand. I'm a filmmaker, director, editor. I've worked with channels like Discovery and Vice, and ChatCut is the best motion graphics tool I have ever used. Go try it out for free. We've started a collection of great prompts that have produced people great results. Just comment ChatCut and we will send it to you.